Every second, every minute, man, I every second, every minute, man, I every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, this is an unboxing wig video. I purchased this wig from BGM Girl Hair, Black Girl Magic Hair. As you can see, I am unboxing the package, and this is like very nice packaging. It comes in a very nice little bag. So right here, I'm just opening up the package, and you can see the wig that I ordered. And right now, I'm just going to show you everything that comes in the package. They sent some wig combs. They sent a bag full of goodies. So inside of the bag, they sent different shades of wig caps. They sent over instructions on how to take care of the wig and how to reach them if you had problems with the wig. They also sent over some lashes, and they also sent over a lace band. But I am so glad, y'all. I'm so glad to get. Oh, they also sent a like edge comb, which I don't really need those. I use those more for Kennedi. But I was really excited about this bonnet, y'all, because you see what I got in my head. I really need a bonnet, like for real. So anyway, here's the wig. I'm so excited. I got 28 inches. This is a HD straight wig. So I was so excited because I mean, like, it's getting cold outside, and straight hair is just like a winter hair for me. This wig is already bleached. It's 28 inches. And I just wanted to show you guys, like, look at how they pluck that hairline, baby. Like, my camera was tripping. Like, y'all can't see it clearly. But y'all know. Y'all can see it a little bit. But I really love the wig. I really love the wig. And, like, I'm going to keep showing y'all how they got this lace pluck. Because, like, I can pluck, but I can't pluck like this. But I was, trying to show y'all how, like, the plucking is A1, and I love it. Now, right here, I'm just showing y'all what it looks like on the inside, baby. But I'm finna show y'all something real quick. Baby, I ain't never put no wig on no video, but y'all about to see. Y'all about to see. And I'm about to show y'all, like, this wig is really bomb. Like, you can see this lace. But I'm going to put a little lace tint on there, put a little makeup on that hairline. And, baby, when I tell y'all this HD ready-to-go wig is a bomb, baby. You can just put it on your head for, like, people that just start wearing wigs. And when I tell y'all this wig is a bomb. Now, I got to tighten up the wig band a little bit because it's, it's kind of loose on my head. But I absolutely love this wig. Everything about this wig will be linked below. Like, it's flat, like, baby, it looks amazing. It looks like it's growing out my scalp, baby. And these 28 inches is hitting its waistline. This is my hair for the winter time, boo-boo. So anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look at, bam, hitting that booty, hit on top of that booty, baby. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this wig. I'll be back to give y'all another review on it. This is BGM Hair. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And baby, when I tell you, I just kept running my hands through this hair. Like, I love it. It's not too thick. Like, baby, look at me. Bad bitch. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.